Relying on paper checklists usually means missteps and messy follow-ups. Digital checklist apps make sure every task gets done right, on time, and with full accountability. So here are the top 3 worth checking out. First is Connecteam. It lets you create clear, customizable checklists for any process, from daily job tasks to safety inspections. You can attach notes, images, or documents, and even require signatures so there's proof everything was handled correctly. And I like that you can connect checklists directly to shifts, so when someone clocks in, they see exactly what needs to get done. Automatic reminders cut down on forgetfulness, and managers get real-time updates as tasks are completed. There are templates if you want to move fast, or you can design your own from scratch. And because it's an all-in-one app, you also get scheduling, time tracking, team chat, training, and secure document storage built right in. It's easy to set up, mobile-friendly, and the free plan covers up to 10 users. Paid plans are affordable, and you can try it for free using the link below. Next is TickTick. It's a simple but flexible app that helps you stay on top of to-do lists across devices. You can set due dates, add subtasks, and sort by priority. The calendar and Kanban views make it easy to see what's coming up, and there's even a Pomodoro timer to keep you focused. The free plan is basic, but it works well if you need a lightweight option. Finally, ClickUp. While it's best known for project management, its checklist features are strong. You can break work into detailed steps, assign tasks to team members, and track progress in real time. It also includes time tracking and reporting, plus integrations with tools like HubSpot and Harvest. Great for teams that want collaboration and oversight in one place. And those are my top 3 checklist apps. Which one would keep your team the most organized? Go ahead and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-fluff software reviews.